how to fix your payment method was declined in App Store. So let's get started. First thing first, go to the settings on your iOS device. Then all you have to do is tap on your name at the top. Then simply tap on sign in and security option available there. After you tap on sign in and security, you will get to see change password option available again. Simply tap on it and change your Apple ID password. Firstly, you'll have to enter your iPhone passcode in order to navigate to change your password. So enter your iPhone passcode. After that, you will get to see your change password option available there. Simply tap on the new password and go back to the settings again. After that, tap on the payment and shipping option available there. And you'll have to enter your Apple ID password to enter the payment and shipping. Now all you have to do is remove the card you have for now and re-enter it again. And after that your problem will be resolved. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.